Welcome to the Free Flow Update. Today's focus is data breach costs. The bad news is that they remain very high, but there are some things you can do to manage the risk. According to recent data from an IBM Ponemon Institute report, healthcare continues to be the most expensive industry for data breach costs globally. Even though global average costs have dipped slightly in recent years, the financial impact is still very large. In the United States, the cost for data breaches generally have actually increased to $10.2 million per incident in 2025. Why are costs so much higher in the U.S.? This is probably due to the high cost of mitigation in the U.S., large fines under HIPAA and other laws, reporting requirements, and a litigious legal culture. The costs can include investigation of the incident, regulatory fines, legal fees, notification to patients and authorities, lost business, reputational damage, and significant long-term remediation. So when you look at your overall risks, a potential data breach is likely to be one of your top priorities. The good news is that taking some basic steps to minimize risk can be straightforward and relatively inexpensive, like enforcing multi-factor authentication, encrypting sensitive data, and training staff to spot phishing attempts. Also, putting in place a basic compliance program and doing a HIPAA security risk analysis. If you haven't done some of these things, do them. They can significantly reduce your exposure. Data breach costs remain stubbornly high in the U.S. When thinking about compliance, addressing this issue head-on is a good place to start. It can protect your business, your customers, and patients, and it may give you some peace of mind. And that concludes our Free Flow Update. Thank you for joining us today. For more information, please visit our website at orensteinlegal.com and navigate to the podcast page. Remember to subscribe or follow Free Flow on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and YouTube so you never miss an episode or update. This podcast is for informational purposes only, is not legal advice, and does not create an attorney-client relationship. Thank you for listening.